NGO registration services in India. An NGO can be started under three acts: Public Trust Act of all states, Indian Societies Act, and Companies Act. In India, a trust society, non-profitable company all fall under a umbrella term NGO. Income tax exemption is available for all non-profit NGOs. At B Pramanik and Associates, we will help you select the right option and guide you through the entire NGO registration process. Acts governing registration NGO registration process. The national authority in India allows for online registration of an NGO under three laws: a trust under Public Trust Act of each state, Indian Trust Act 1882, societies under Societies Registration Act 1860, Section 8 Company under Companies Act 2013. Each law defines the formation of a different type of organization, namely trust registration, society registration, and non-profit company registration like Section 8. Fixing the kind of registration procedure for the charitable firm is crucial. Our expert will help select the suitable option that benefits your vision and guide you with the online registration process. Registration of NGO in India plus trust. One possible way in which you can register a non-government organization is by registering it is a trust. This kind of method is used by NGOs who work with eradicating poverty, giving education, and providing medical relief. You might want to note that trusts are irrevocable. This means that they cannot change or terminate without the permission of the court. Although there is no central law that governs public trust, many states have its own public trust act to look into the affairs of the public trust. Societies Societies can be referred to member-based organization for charitable purposes. They are run by a governing body or a managing committee. Unlike trusts, all societies come under the purview of one law known as Societies Registration Act 1860. Section 8 companies. Section 8 company has limited liability and cannot make any profits. It generally formed for promoting science, art, commerce, charity, religion, or other purpose that is useful to society. When compared to societies and trusts, Section 8 companies have more benefit in the sense that they have more legal standing and better credibility among government bodies and donors. So that is NGO registration consultancy in India, and also there are many NGO registration consultancy. The main and one thing, the one of the best NGO consultancy, the B Pramanik and Associates. We are all know that B Pramanik and Associates situated at Kolkata, but providing NGO services all over India. There are many branches in India. So now we will focus only for NGO registration consultancy in West Bengal, the B Pramanik and Associates. B Pramanik and Associate is an NGO consultancy in West Bengal. A complete solutions for creates the NGO. They are provides for NGO related services like NGO registration, trust registration, association registration, club registration, SHG registration, Institute of Delhi Trust registration, Educational Institute registration, college registration, school registration, 12A registration, 80J registration, all NGO related services, NGO related consulting, NGO audit report, NGO taxation, ITR, and NGO related legal consulting services done here. B Pramanik and Associates, also popularly known as number one NGO registration consultancy in India, but situated at Kolkata, West Bengal. B Pramanik and Associate, a leading NGO consultancy, a unit of Bharat Foundation, which is government registered, National Trust. They are focused to provide services, provide world-class services to the NGO, how they will be work, how they will be achieve, how they will be develop their NGO, and how they will be raise fund. All everything, they are one-stop solution for the NGO. B. Pramani can associate is managed by a team of professionals from NGO background, having expertise and the right exposure of NGO fields and management. Experts striving to achieve excellence of NGO service delivery. There are many NGO lawyer, NGO registration lawyer. So you can contact with them for your NGO registration. Please note down this number: 93390555647. Please note down this number: 93390555647. You can call them for your NGO registration, and they will guide to you how you will be register your NGO in West Bengal in India. And you can also visit for more information of their website www.bpramanikassociates.com. They are always here for help to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share.